Hello, my name is Kennedy, and it is Fashion 2, and I have learned how to block code. And first up is my sprites that I have added to the background. So you see he is right here, so when I press this, he will start talking. Oh, sorry. When I press this, he will start talking, saying a hi, and then what are you doing? And then the person in front of him, will say something back. Hello, playing basketball. And he's just a background singer. And then this sprite will talk to this person. So let me show you what I have done here. Stop. And here is what I have done. And that is mainly what I have done for you today. And here's another one that I have done. It is called Fashion Walkthrough. And I have these are block coding. I'm doing block coding here. And I have block coded all these things together in the right perfection order to make sure it will do what you want it to do. So firstly, I want to show you what did I do to make it. So if you pay attention right here, with this, the glide set gets to X and Y. And when I move my character, it'll move the numbers. And that is how I made my character glide and move to each side. And this one, go to, it will do the exact same thing. And this is what I did for my fashion walkthrough.
Hey.
Each character has a different type of object in their hand, so that they're all different and unique in the same way. And that is all that I have for you today.